Today I would like to show you how to use TelQ Test number platform, how to send basic tests, and how to receive test results and interpret them in the right manner. Let's log into our account and let's move straight to the live number testing, because this is the most important part. This is where you spend 95% of your time. So this is why it is very important for me to show you how it works and for you to understand all the functionality. So sender ID, here you can either type your own sender ID from which you would like to send the message, or you can select it from a template which you can also predefine. So let's select sender ID. Same goes for the text. You can type your own, or you can select some predefined templates. And now you can select the country or network which you would like to test. So let's say we would like to test Russia. So we input Russia, we select a few networks to test, and we select the supplier which you would like to test. And this is just a sample supplier. Of course, you can add your own suppliers, as many as you like, but this is going to be shown in the next video how to do it. For now, just click run and confirm. Our tests have been sent. Now we just need to wait for the test results. And let's scroll down. ID, date, country, and network. I don't think this needs any explanation because this is quite straightforward. But when it comes to DLR status, let me give a bit more in-depth explanation about what it is. So DLR status is an SMTP status of the message. And this is the status which you get from your supplier. In this case, the messages are still pending. Once the message will be delivered, you will get delivery report from your supplier and it will turn green, like in this case. And if it doesn't deliver, it will turn red. Now, in case of received status, this is the real status of the message. So we check whether this message has been received on our handset or not. And if it has been received, whether sender ID or text have been modified. And in case it was, you will get this exclamation mark, which mentions what problem you have. And as you can see, there is text replaced. If you click on it, you will be able to see the difference. So this is the text which has been sent. This is the text which delivered. And you see there are a lot of this. I think these are Spanish question marks. Instead of this text, basically, you see that there are a lot of differences, and we highlight all this information in a user-friendly manner. Same goes for the text. You can also see if the sender ID has been replaced, and if it was, you can click on it, and you will see from which sender ID you send the message and from which sender ID the message has been delivered. And if it was replaced, we also highlight it in red, like in this case. And if everything was fine, like in case of this test, you will have a positive result here. Now, let's move forward with SMSC and the phone. We also check and verify the SMSC of the message which has been delivered. And if SMSC corresponds to the country of your tests, we highlight it in green. And in this case, it is Russia. And we've been testing Russia, and SMSC is Russian. So we highlight it in green, which means that most likely this is a direct connection. If SMSC doesn't correspond to the country, it might be an indication that this is open as a 7th connection. So this is why we highlight this information. Now, when it comes to supplier, you can also click on it and you will see SMTP connection information. This is something which I will explain in more details at a later stage when we will discuss the connections of your suppliers. And here we have a delay status, the difference between when the message has been sent and when it has been delivered. Now, in case you would like to see a bit more SMTP data, you can click here and you will see the status and the time of each change which occurred, so when the message was sent and when it was delivered. If you click on the copy button, you will be able to copy and paste this test result information in a very good user-friendly manner and, for example, share it with your colleague. So, in this case, DLR status is undelivered, so we have problems with delivering messages to this particular network. And in this case, we have a positive DLR, but receipt status is still pending, so it might be a good indication that this is a fake delivery report, and we also need to look into it and check if there are any issues. Mind you, sometimes there is just a delay with the deliveries, but if you wait like around 5 minutes and you don't get any receipt status and the test number is still available for tests, it's a very good indication that you have a fake DLR. This is more or less it when it comes to testing. You can also see a bit more explanation and information in this section. You will see all the errors which we get and all the meaning of the symbols which we have. That's it for now. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next video.